Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. According to the preliminary estimates from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PBCJ, for the January to March 2024 quarter, real gross domestic product, GDP, is estimated to have grown by 1.9% relative to the corresponding period of 2023. The performance for the January to March 2024 quarter was influenced by several key factors. There was increased external demand driven by the economic growth of Jamaica's main trading partners, benefiting the transport, hotels, restaurants, and other services industries. There was higher levels of business and consumer confidence. There was increased agricultural output due to higher yield per hectare and more hectares harvested. And there was expanded capacity utilization at alumina refineries, leading to a higher alumina production. Income to investors from stocks have been announced by prominent companies. Scotia Group Jamaica Limited has advised that a dividend payment will be considered at the upcoming Board of Directors meeting on June 6, 2024. Kingston Wharves Limited has advised that its Board of Directors will meet on June 5, 2024 to consider the declaration of a dividend. Caribbean Cement Company Limited has advised that the Board of Directors intends to meet on June 7, 2024, and the recommendation of a dividend will be considered at the meeting. During trading for the period May 29, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,019,585 units, amounting to 26.3% of the market volume in terms of sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,378,066 units, amounting to 17.94% of the market in terms of sales. Then alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,183,773 units, amounted to 15.41% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 29, 2024, registered a volume of 97,684 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 1,038,763 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 49 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 24,146 shares, changing hands for a value of 100,882 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 8 cents, followed by First Caribbean International Bank Limited with a volume of 14,204 shares, being traded hands for 98,433 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 72 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 29, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $53.8 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $68 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.44 and bought the US dollar for $155.05. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.39, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 24 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.61 and bought for $114.37. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.32, selling it for $199.25 and buying it for $195.93. For the credit report tip of the day, we want you to be clear that your credit report is a powerful tool that can help you access capital for investments. A good credit score opens doors to financing options for real estate, business ventures, and other investments. You need to leverage your solid credit history to secure loans with favorable terms, helping you grow your wealth through strategic investments. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update.